If you're getting low CPU and processor usage on your game, so you have clicked in the right video. So guys, I'm going to show you 8 easy steps to fix your low CPU usage in your game. So guys, without any delay, let's get started. Alright, so the step number 1 is to choosing the high number of processor in your PC. So what you have to do, you have to simply go to your search, type here ms config. Now simply choose system configuration. Now simply click on boot. Now click on advanced options. Now here you have to simply take number of processor, and from the drop down menu you have to simply choose the highest number of processor that you have. Now once done, simply click on OK, click on apply, and simply click on OK. Now it will ask you to restart your PC. To apply these changes, you have to simply restart your PC. Now the step number 2 is to change your PC performance to high performance. Basically it will run your PC into high performance and it will give you more stable performance in your PC. So what you have to do, you have to simply go to your search, type here powercfd.cpl, or simply hit the enter key. Now from the hide additional plans, you have to simply select high performance and simply close it. Now the step number 3 is to disable the startup applications in your PC, because disabling startup apps will increase your PC speed and you will get less input latency. So you have to simply go to your taskbar, right click on it, and simply go to task manager. Now from the top menu option, simply click startup, and here you have to simply disable those startup apps which you don't really use in startup, and simply go ahead each and disable all of these startup applications in your PC. Now the step number 4 is to disable the background applications in your PC, because there are some applications which are running at your background. So disabling the background applications in your PC to get more CPU usage in your game. So simply go to your search, type here background apps, and simply click on it. Now here you have to simply disable background apps, and it will disable all of the background applications in your PC. Once done, simply close it. Now the step number 5 is to enable game mode in your PC, because enabling game mode will optimize your PC during game. So what you have to do, you have to simply go to your search, type here game mode settings, simply click on it, and here you will see game mode, and you have to simply enable this option to optimize your PC for play. Now once done, simply click on close. Now the step number 6 is to enable power throttling in your laptop to extend your battery life. So if you're using PC, so you can skip this part. And what you have to do, you have to simply go to your search, type here GP edit. Now here you have to simply make it larger and go to administrative templates. Now here you have to select system. Now here you have to simply scroll down and came into P section and select power management, double click on it, and from the right hand corner you have to simply select power throttling settings. Now here you have to simply double click on power throttling and simply enable it. Now once done, click on apply, click on OK, or simply close it. Now the step number 7 is to make a new key in your PC to optimize your PC during the game. So what you have to do, you have to simply go to your search, type here performance monitor, simply click on it. Now here you have to go to data collector sets. Now simply click on user defined. Now simply right click on it, go to new, and click this data collector set. Now name it as CPU boost. Now simply tick this create manually. Now click on next. Now simply tick this performance counter. Now simply click on next. Now simply click on add. Now make sure that it is set to processor, and simply select the highest instances in your PC. Now once done, simply click on OK. Now click on finish, and simply right click on your new key and simply click on start. Once done, simply close it. Now the step number 8 to disable all of the animations in your PC. So Windows 11 or Windows 10 comes with the tons of animations. So disabling these animations will increase your PC performance. So what you have to do, you have to simply go to your search, type here sysdm.cpl. Now simply hit the enter key. Now from the top menu option, click on advanced. Now under the performance tab, click on settings. Now here you have to choose adjust for best performance, not adjust for best appearance. Once done, click on apply, click on OK, now click on OK. So guys, this is the full guide that how you can boost your CPU processor usage in your PC. So guys, I hope you'll find this video helpful. So if you find this video helpful, thumbs up the like button and subscribe for more interesting content. Thank you.